Hey guys, I wanted to make this quick video just to make sure that you are aware. I do have several diesel engines for sale right now. So I have a Kubota V2203, not this specific one, but one just like it. I have the Mercedes OM613, which is the predecessor to the OM648. They're really just about the same engine. I had that one imported from Spain. We never got the OM613 over here. And then the OM605s that I imported. All of the details on these engines are on my website, so I'll put the link down in the description so you can go there and read up about them. The 605s, I imported two, and I thought I would get one and then have one for a spare in case I ever blew it up or needed spare parts. Now, if you don't know anything about these are the hot rod version, updated version of the OM617. So you got a cross flow head, you got intake manifold on this side, exhaust manifold on this side, you got 4 valves per cylinder. It already comes with the serpentine factory setup, and it's literally a plug and play to convert this to fully mechanical by installing an OM602 injection pump on it. And this one also has a water to oil cooler, so it's more efficient, takes up a lot less space. These were never offered in the US, which makes them extremely rare and sought after, because these can make a reliable 400 horsepower. Importing this was the biggest pain of my life. And you're probably asking, why would I be getting rid of them since I got 2 of them and they're such a hard thing to get? Well, the plan was I was going to put the 605 in my Back to the Future replica build. And then I was going to also do a DeLorean build with hopefully a 606, but in the event the 606 wouldn't fit, I thought that's another reason to buy 2 of the 605s, because I could easily fit a 605 into the DeLorean. Well, if you followed me for any amount of time, you know I've had some recent struggles and just headaches with the OM605 community, engine-wise. So I'm just going to build and sell the parts that I already have designed, like the transmission adapters. I got several motor mount options for these engines. I got a rear hoist bracket. I also have a fuel heater delete. So I'm going to keep building and selling what I already offer for these, but I'm not going to make any new parts. So you see me coming out with head studs and main studs and MLS head gaskets, all this performance stuff. I'm not going to be doing any of that for the OM6 engines. Kind of just done with these engines at this point. They kind of seem to be turning into the new LS, where everybody and their dog wants one, and I like to stay niche. I like to do the weird stuff. I like to support the stuff that needs some love thrown its way to be boosted up in the performance department. And in Europe, these things are a dime a dozen because they came in taxis, especially in Russia. So you see a ton of support for these overseas. So I've just kind of moved away from really wanting to have this and my beloved Back to the Future build. I've decided I'm going to pick one of my other engines, maybe the souped up OM617 with all my new performance parts on it. That's kind of how I'm leaning right now. Also considering Kubota or maybe even a Volkswagen TDI. But I do want these 605s to go to a good home, so I want to know what your plans are. This guy here, so I have 2 of them. One of them's already prepaid for. The guy just has to come pick it up and finish paying for it. So I have 1 left, and I have front and rear sump pans for them. What else? The Kubota and the 613. I don't have any 613 adapters. The Kubota will come with a Toyota R150 adapter, or I have another transmission adapter in the works. So let me know what your plans are for your Kubota. We can talk about that one. Don't know much else to say. This does come with the plastic intake manifold. I just kind of have this stripped down right now because before this one goes, I am going to finish making the motor mounts for the V6 IFS Toyota pickups. So that's the 1988 through 1995 3-liter V6 trucks. And then as soon as I get that done, this guy will be ready to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out the website if you're interested in buying one of these, and we'll see you in a future video.